Hi, I realised I hadn't shared a crystal cocktail post or video for ages, so I thought I'd do that today. I always have a crystal cocktail. I often have one around my neck, and today I'm just wearing the one pendant with a little garnet, but I usually have a handful of stones under my pillow, and yes, it can be uncomfortable in the night, but it helps me when I choose a new crystal cocktail to think about the qualities I want to invite into my life more. And each time I see the stones, I'm reminded of that. And personally, yes, I believe that they have their own energies, but I'm just sharing the process in case it resonates for you and in case you want to try something similar. And I always have a rock. I always have, I love these hagstones, beautiful from the beach, for grounding energy, helping me sleep basically. Before I got a collection of rocks, and even now sometimes I'd use a heavier, more grounding stone like hematite or obsidian, or maybe black tourmaline, but something to just go to sleep. I used to get really bad insomnia, so that would really help me. I also always have a form of amethyst. This time I have gone with this beautiful raw rock. All the stones have their own energies, and I encourage you to start with the quality you want and then take it from there. I have I have the amethyst to help me with my intuition and with helpful dreams and also understanding. And I have rose quartz this time. I've had this particular one since I was about 13. And I've chosen it for amping up the self-compassion when life feels challenging. I think we can all use that, but again, some of what I'm saying, it will resonate, other bits won't. Do what feels good for you. This time I've chosen another regular Lapis Lazuli. It can be wonderful for working with old patterns that are no longer serving us. And with that in mind, I've also got a couple of these snowy quartz helping me to release what is no longer helpful from the past as I sleep. And I chose these two. They look very pale on the video, but they're pale blue, and it's blue lace agate, and another stone I've been working with since my teens, helping with gentle communication, helping with self-talk as well as what we say to others. And finally, for this particular one, I've got fluorite, which me personally, I always associate with that grounding energy and that connected to the heavens and allowing that link. So I aim to be as grounded as possible, as expansive as possible, and to go as much with the flow as possible. So yes, I'm a bit of a weirdo, but you already know this if you're watching this. And if you have crystals of your own, or if you're buying them, or if you're working with any kind of stone, know that the most important element is intention. Think about a quality you want to ground in your own life, whether you want to put that under your pillow or in your bag or in your pocket or wherever. Trust your intuition, and every time you see it or feel it, you're going to be reminded of that quality, and you're going to be enhancing it in that way, as well as it having its own energy. So have a delightful week, and I'll share more soon.